RGH Beats Record.
Shawty, I just cut the beat and put some bass in it. I give you that face and then you slay with it. Got some critics on the net I would not fade with. Baby, love is something I would never play with. My brother borrow, we like Scotty and Jordan. We hit the drama and scared and annoying, I'm fake. Shawty, it's raining and it's pouring. I'm alone but I still got peace where I'm at. And baby, one day I'll be touring. You keep playing with my heart, don't it get boring, girl? Yeah, that game's so annoying, annoying, yeah.
Do you love me or not? I can never tell what you got going on, girl, no. Would you trust me or not? Going city to city and in places that you don't know about. Yeah, I'm tired of sending these texts I know you don't care about. I put it all on my chest, come on girl, let's air it out. But I know you on games, you tryna play around. But I know you won't change, you wanna wait around. She don't know about you and I, but it's time to decide. Keep me close, and eye for an eye, keep you right by my side. No more breathing, resuscitation, you can't save me. No mercy, yeah. Guess I'm paying for what you made me.
Would you hold me tight, like you never did on the story, I'm praying. I'm over with, there's nothing I can say to you. Shawty, I just cut the beat and put some bass in it. I give you that face and you slay with it. Got some critics on the net I would not fade with. Baby, love is something I would never play with.
I grew up reading stories. Oh, I believed that I could climb through every page. Oh, the fire and glory, all the revenge and all the rage. Have you heard of the heroes ending? They couldn't protect